Hey guys, Dave here with Factory 5 Racing. Today we're taking a look at some more of our engine mounts. These are our 4.6 Coyote engine mounts. So a lot of guys will get these motor mounts and say, hey, these are 4.6, I'm using a 5.0 Coyote. You'll notice they're a very similar energy suspension design as our small block Ford, except these are adapted, of course, to fit the modular motors. So it's still got the polyurethane block in between, so you can get all the support you need. Totally plated metal, so you're not dealing with any corrosion or anything like that. If you're running the dual overhead cam or single overhead cam 4.6 engines from the late 90s, early 2000s, you're just going to run these motor mounts. If you're going to run a Coyote, you're going to get these plates here. We manufacture these in-house and have them powder coated. These are what we call our Coyote engine mount spacers. Now these spacers are made to go in between this motor mount. So you're going to end up taking this motor mount apart, and we have this in all of our Coyote installation instructions. You'll pull this apart, put these spacers inside, and that's what makes the correct motor mount for your Coyote. These are included with the Coyote installation kit. That's optional later on in the order form. So if you take a look at the order form, you'll need the 4.6 Coyote engine mounts, and then you'll need the Coyote installation kit to get these motor mount spacers. So that's super important to know. If you are installing a Coyote in a later Roadster, or you're trying to upgrade your motor mounts, you will need both of these components. So make sure you get the 4.6 motor mounts and the engine mount spacers. If you need them separately, they are available through Factory 5 Parts. So make sure you give us a call. We'll help you out with that. But other than that, super simple. Make it very easy to install a Coyote or the 4.6 modular motors in your Factory 5 kit. These are available with all of our kits. They come with the complete kit. If you're getting a base kit, these are an upgrade option. Definitely recommend it. It couldn't get easier than this to get a 4.6 or Coyote installed in your kit.